Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. You need to start by opening one of your apps in the background. In order to do that, tap on it and then select this square button. Now tap on the top right corner of your app and click on the other one, in my case, Gallery. Finally, you can hold this line at the top of your first app, currently opened in pop-up window, and drag it all the way up or all the way down. When you see this gray area, just let go. Now I can finally use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!